Good morning. I'm Debbie Roth, the WHOAS, Woods Hole Open Access Server Repository Manager for the MBLWHOI Library. The mission of the Woods Hole Open Access Server is to capture, store, preserve, and redistribute the intellectual output of the Woods Hole scientific community in digital form. The community includes Marine Biological Laboratory, Sea Education Association, NOAA Fisheries, USGS Woods Hole Coastal and Marine Science Center, Woodwell Climate Research Center, and Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution. Data created and used should be managed, curated, and archived in such a way to preserve the initial investment in collecting them. Researchers must be certain that the data held in the archives remain useful and meaningful into the future. WHOAS is a Core Trust Seal certified repository. Core Trust Seal is an international, community-based, non-governmental, and nonprofit organization promoting sustainable and trustworthy data infrastructures. This has become the accepted certification organization in the data management community. This is our current WHOAS homepage. Will be the new WHOAS homepage after our upgrade. WHOAS repository is a DSpace repository. We are in the process of upgrading to a newer version of the software. The newer version offers a new user interface with a newly designed search box so it's easier to search, basic usage statistics, and more functionality. Another upgrade feature is the redesign of the search results. As this slide shows, previously the search facets were an extra click on the top of the screen, and now they are immediately available to the left side. This should improve user experience and give the site a more modern look. What can be deposited in WHOAS? This list shows the types of items that are deposited. The library always recommends that researchers deposit data in an appropriate subject or community repository, but there are many cases where the dataset needing a DOI does not fit these scenarios. The library, like most repositories, can assign a digital object identifier, DOI, to appropriate theses, dissertation, conference and workshop presentations, datasets, images, and publications deposited in WHOAS. We can deposit quickly and easily in our certified repository and create a DOI. How can we help you publish your work? Most publishers own the rights to the articles in their journals, not the authors. Anyone who wants to read the articles pays a fee to access them. Institutions and libraries help provide access to paywalled research through costly subscriptions. Even then, no part of the article can be reused by researchers, students, or scientists without permission from the publisher, and often at an additional fee. I'm frequently asked this question. There are several open access licensing available. Open access publications reduce permissions, requirements, and eliminate price barriers for readers. Open access allows access to articles without a subscription to researchers and to the general public. WHOI does have an open access policy. It was initiated by the Joint Program student Kara Manning. Authors retain rights and gives WHOI permission to put the final version of articles in WHOAS. All items in WHOAS are protected by the original copyright, with all rights reserved unless otherwise indicated. WHOAS also supports the use of Creative Commons licenses for original content. Creative Commons helps you share your work with free, easy-to-use copyright licenses. BC BY allows users to distribute, remix, adapt, and build upon the material in any medium or format, so long as attribution is given to the creator. The license allows for commercial use. The CCNC, non-commercial, does not allow for commercial use. The CCND, non-derivative, so derivatives or adaptations of the work are not permitted. And CCSA, share alike, adaptations must be shared under the same license terms. So there are 6 Creative Commons licenses, 4 of which are listed here, and the other 2 combine the non-commercial NC with the SA share alike and the non-commercial ND with non-derivatives. So which license is right for you? The library supports making information as freely available as possible and encourages the CC BY license. In most situations, there's not going to be a huge commercial gain to anyone using your article. However, we know that some people are not comfortable with commercial use in any manner, so we understand that this is your choice. We look forward to depositing your data, and if you have any questions, please contact us at woas@hui.edu. Thank you very much.